Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Shopify store. So even before you start your Shopify store, the first thing you want to do is create a dedicated email address for your store. Now this can be on Gmail or Hotmail or any email, but you want to have a separate email account so you can manage all your business affairs. Now this won't be the email that customers contact you on. It'll be your email for communication with Shopify, payment providers, and different apps. In this module, we're going to create a store around the boxing niche. And the name we're going to go with is Fight Monk. So for the Google account, we're just going to write Fight Monk as a first and last name. I'm going to go fightmonkstore@gmail.com. Then I'm going to put a password in. Phone number, day of birth, this can be absolutely anything. Just make sure you remember it. So I'm just going to go 1990, and the first, I'm going to go male. So once you have the Gmail account set up, you can go ahead and start creating your Shopify store. Just agreeing to all of the terms and conditions. We're going to create a separate email address later on for customer communications. And here we are in the new Gmail account. So for our website, we're going to build it on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is hit Shopify into Google, and we're going to create a Shopify store. Shopify is the best e-commerce platform. It's king for dropshipping. You have all the best apps, all the best functionality, and it's the app that everybody uses. So we want to use Shopify. As for the plan, you want to start with the basic plan, which costs $29 per month. I'm in the UK, which is why it's showing as £19 per month. But as you can see, you have the online store, 2 staff accounts. You can sell on the online store. Discount codes. Everything is here. Everything is here that you need. Now, in the beginning, the online credit card rates will be 2%. And if you upgrade your plan, you can get the cheaper price here. But in the beginning, the Shopify basic plan is all you need. And every plan comes with a 14-day free trial. So let's begin with our store. So now the email we made, fightmonkstore@gmail.com. And we're going to make a password. And then the store name, we're just going to call it Fight Monk. Now this store name is just for the back end of Shopify. We're going to buy a domain later on, which is the link that customers will buy from. But in the beginning, we're just going to call our domain Fight Monk. And this will be the back end domain that only you have access to. So we're going to hit create your store. You can click I'm just starting an online store. Do you want to drop ship? Yes. United Kingdom. So once we've gone through all of these buttons, will be put on the Shopify dashboard, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of that right now. So here we are on the Shopify dashboard. As you can see, you have all the menu items here. You have the settings, online store. I'm going to go through everything right now. So you have the homepage here, which is where all your orders will show, which is where you can see your online visitors and, some basic analytics. So the homepage is where you're going to be able to see your sales. Next, you have the orders page. On the orders page, anytime you get an order, it's going to show here in the orders page. So when you go into the orders page, you have draft orders and you have abandoned checkouts. So anytime somebody goes to your store and doesn't check out, their information will be put here. After that, you have the products. So in this section, this is where we're going to add our products. We're going to do that later on. And inside the products, you have your inventory, which is where you can see how much items you have in stock. Now, as we're drop shipping, we're not going to have to worry about that. Then you have transfers, which is once again, that's to do with inventory. We don't have to worry about that because we'll be drop shipping. Then you have collections. So anytime you create a collection on your site, so let's say you have a dog store, you can put a collection for dog toys, dog food, dog grooming, so different collections on your store. And then you have gift cards. So if you want to create a gift card for your customers, you can use this option here. Next, you have your customers. So once you start getting traffic and start getting customers, they're going to show here. So, all your customer information will be here in the customers tab. Next, you have the analytics. So this is where you can see your total sales, your sessions, returning customer rate, total orders, average order value, conversion rate, and many more. So this is a great place to get information on your store. The analytics section is a great place to learn your data and figure out what you can do to improve. Next, you have reports. So as we're on the basic Shopify plan, the reporting on here is pretty basic. Sales over time, sales by product, sales by discount. So it's pretty basic. But if you upgrade to the Shopify plan, the $79 per month plan, you can get a lot more advanced reporting, and then you get live view. So once you get live visitors on your Shopify store, it will show here. Next, you have the marketing tab. We don't use this tab. We're going to be running all of our ads from the Facebook Ads Manager and the TikTok Ads Manager. So we don't use the marketing tool. So next you have the discounts tab. In here, you can create discounts for your customers. So for example, I'm going to create a discount right now. So I'm going to click create discount. So I'm going to click amount off order. And let's do a 10% discount code. And you can either automatically generate it or you can manually create a code. I'm going to manually create a code right now. Let's make it save 10. And click save. So now, once somebody enters save 10 at checkout, they're going to get a 10% discount code off their order. So that's it for the sections on this side here. Next, I'm going to go to online store and show you some of the settings in here. So when you click online store, you can see your theme here. So we're going to come into here later on and set up a theme. This will be the actual storefront that your website is on. So you have your themes, then you have blog posts. So if you want to write blog posts and rank for SEO with certain keywords, you can come in here and write blog posts. Next, you have pages. So in pages, you can create different pages. We're going to create an FAQ page, a shipping page, a contact us page. We're going to come into here later on and set up more pages. Next, you have the navigation. In the navigation, we're going to set up our menus. So we're going to have in the main menu, which includes our product pages, featured collection, contact us, FAQs, shipping policy, and legal policies. Finally, we have the online store preferences. So in here, you can come in here and you can edit the title and meta description. So this is when somebody searches your brand into Google. So let's call ours right now. So the homepage title will be Fight Monk. And then in here, when you search the name on Google, it will show the search listing. So you're going to have the title and you're going to have the meta description. So let's say in here, let's write the goal of our brand. So we created Fight Monk because we wanted to create the best boxing equipment to improve your skills. So you can come in here, you can edit it, you can write different things. Free shipping and free returns. So you can come in here and write a title, a meta description for your own website. So underneath that, we have the social sharing image, which is when you share your link, the image that comes with it. After that, Google Analytics and a Facebook pixel. We're going to come in here later on and set both of these up. Customer privacy and password protection. So after you pick a plan, you need to remove your password so customers can go onto your website.